Hello, my dear students, how are you? And today we are going to start our PT1 syllabus of SST class 6. I am Juhi ma'am, and students, we are firstly going to start chapter number 3, which is our PT2 syllabus. Chapter 3. This chapter is contains about only maps. It is very easy chapter. Why we are using map and which symbols are actually we can see on map, and how much how many types of map we can see. So actually students, the maps are actually some types. First one is the political map. Then what is political map? Which maps are showing different countries and state. Suppose in which map you can see the country and state, that is called the political map. Next one is the physical map. Physical map, which means you can see the mountain, plateaus, plains, river, oceans, the diagrams also given, that is physical map. Next one is coming the thematic map, in which you can see the forest only, industries, people, etc. The weathers of the forest also given, that is called the thematic map. Next one we are coming then the essential components of a map, which means in a map what can be the essential components. Suppose map title, a map always containing with a title about what it is showing, from the top to bottom. The scale, because it is showing 1 centimeter, 5 kilometers, how many kilometers in 1 centimeter it is showing. The legend or the keys, the map projection, and the directions also given in the map, means east, west, north and south. Next you come the conventional signs also given. Suppose the river, watery body, railway lines also given. Next one is the sketch. Suppose in a map it is very necessary to show, suppose where is the cinema hall, where is the clock tower, and some symbols. These symbols, suppose whenever you want to show any ground or any forest area, you can show with a sketch or any other thing. Like this we are drawing in a map. Now a plan is actually a drawing a small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives about a very much information to us, and in this chapter nothing more things given. So in this chapter what we are going to read, first one, a globe can be useful, because whenever we want to study the earth, we have to take a globe and we want to do study. Maps which are drawn on a flat surface, a part of it drawing according to a scale. One who makes maps is called a cartographer, and the first map was created in 2300 BC by the Babylonians. And scale is also relation between the actual distance. The next one is the map is also showing the 4 directions. And with this we have completed this chapter. Your today's work is to learn the keywords which one given here, and next I will give you other in the next